Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here. Welcome back to my tutorial. Today I'll teach you guys my favorite ways of entering the baby freeze. And this is for beginners level or basic level. So if you are just learning b-boying and you want to learn some transitions onto your baby freeze, this is it, alright? But if you're already advanced, don't worry, you still can watch this because again, remember, b-boy is not all about the technical stuff or the hard stuff, okay? If you can flip some simple move or simple transitions into your own, there's a big plus for your style, right? So without any further ado, let's start with the tutorial. Now I'm gonna start for the first one, which is my favorite one. I'm gonna place my left knee on the ground because I'm right-handed again. If you're right-handed, then you must put your left knee on the ground, okay? Now from here, I'm gonna bend my right leg like this. Okay, next move is we're gonna place both hands on the ground and go into the baby freeze like this. Alright, one more. I'm gonna do it from this side so you can see clearly how I enter to the baby freeze. Alright. That's the basic levels on how you can do this, but if you already get comfortable and your wrists are quite strong enough, you can move your hip a little bit so that your movement, or you can exaggerate the movement, it will look more nicer because you create a bigger move or bigger dynamic flow. Okay, I will show you guys. So again, left knee on the ground, right leg up from here. Alright, the next move is we're gonna do the transitions to baby freeze from the knee drop. Alright, quite simple. So let's say you are top rocking from standing, and then from here you're gonna do a knee drop. Alright, from this knee drop here, we'll go to the baby freeze. One more time, knee drop to baby freeze, kicking, knee drop. Alright, then place both on the ground, baby freeze. As you can see, for the first and second example of the entering baby freeze, you can see we are starting from squat to baby freeze. Alright, so I will suggest you to get comfortable to do the squat transit to the baby freeze. Alright, because if you are not comfortable, then it's quite hard to do the transitions that I show you. So again, just relax, squat down, and put both hands on the ground. Slowly catch yourself to the baby freeze. That's how you do it. Now the last one, we're gonna try something different. Instead just showing guys from squat to baby freeze, now we're gonna start from laying flat on the ground. But mostly when people lay flat on the ground to baby freeze, they love to do the pop-up baby freeze. Okay, so they just lay in front of the ground and then pop to baby freeze. I find an easier way to do this, and now I'm going to show you. Okay, we're going to start from laying flat on the ground to shoulder, then to baby freeze. So I'm just going to lay flat on the ground, keep my right leg straight. I'm going to swing to my shoulder freeze. Alright, from here you can see that my right hand is going to slowly follow up to catch onto the baby freeze. Now if you do it faster, try to move your weight more on top here, so when your right hand catching to your baby freeze, it's easier. Alright, remember, when you do the shoulder, move your lower body weight more to the top so your right hand can go in smoother. Alright, look, my weight, I'm going up here. So there you go, my favorite ways to enter baby freeze. Again, this is a basic level or beginner's level. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. So even though this is basic, you can see that there are a few transitions that you need to master, alright? For example, the first and second one is you need to master transitions from squatting to baby freeze. Alright, Now for the last one, you need to know how to go from laying flat to the ground, to your shoulder, and to baby freeze. So there are certain transitions that you need to already know how to do it in order to learn this. Okay, so that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.